हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप? आज का आपका टॉपिक है पास्ट वर्सेस करंट टाइम।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, तो पहले महराज बोलेंगे। स्टार्ट।
Hello everybody, this is Amiraj. I am going to speak about past time. So as you all know about the past time, past time was very good time for every person. As you all know about the now time, lots of people keep on saying that past time very good time. As you know about the past time were available the greenery and good vegetables and good green air and wind. As you all know about the water. So as you all know about the water, that past time was very clear water and clear greenery. And as you all know about the past time, people kept on growing the plants, new plants, and they was
So Mehraj, now time people don't grow the plant.
No, my dear friend, now time people.
How can you say
now time
this?
people keep
How
on,
can you say this that the now time people
Yes,
can't grow the
I am
plant?
saying. As you know about the now time people kept on.
Do you have proof?
cutting
Do you have
the-
proof?
Yes, I have proof. Then we will go in Gaziabad, so definitely you will face a lots of problem by mans of people because people keep on cutting the trees. That's why lots of people have to face the lots of problem. As you know about
So
the
which type of
pollution.
problem? Which type of problem?
Pollution is increasing day by day in our country. What is the cause behind of this? Just tell me.
Just tell me.
Yes.
Why should I tell you? Do you know that?
Because you are doing debate in front of me. Then you will have
So
to
do you
tell
know
me.
about the pollution? Pollution is increasing day by day only by the vehicles and the factories.
So how
If
have
we-
just listen me? How can we? how
स्टॉप।
can we-
सानी स्टार्ट।
Hello everybody, my name is Sanju. I am going to speak on the given topic that is current time. Current time is a very good time according to past time. Past time is a very bad time because that time
How can you say that past time was very bad time?
Just listen me please, let me complete. That time were not available the all facilities. That time were not available the good school and good hospital and good education. That time were not available the technology. Most important. Not
Past time was available the technology and past time was available the all things like a vehicles, technology and etc. things. And past time was very good time because past time all farmer kept on doing farming. And
But my dear friend, now time all farmer also kept on farming.
no, my dear friend, some farmer keep on doing farming.
As you can see, in village area. In village area, farmer kept on farming. In now time.
Past time was very good time because past time was available the all things.
According to you, one minute. So according to you, this time is a very bad time.
Yes,
How can you say this?
and now time some boys keep on standing in street corner and tease devil and abuse the girls.
स्टॉप। सब्बीर स्टार्ट।
Hello, I'm Sabir. I'm going to speak on everyone's topic. My topic is past time. Past time was a very best, good time and very best time according to me. And in this time is very bad time because.
How
in
can
this
you say
time-
it, my dear friend? Now time is a very bad time.
Please tell me. My
According to me, past time was very bad time because past time was not available the technology schools.
You're wrong, my dear friend.
Was not available the
You're wrong.
education.
Past time
I'm not wrong,
was
my
available
dear
the
friend.
technology. Past time available the lots of technology. And past time available the all.
Do you have evidence? Do you have evidence?
Yes, I have evidence.
Tell me.
Past time available the bulb and past time available the phone and car. Phone is very old time.
Means you are saying that in past time was available the phone.
Yes, my dear,
Mobile.
please. In this time is very bad time because in this time keep on increasing day by day pollution, keep on increasing day by day corruption. This is very bad. And in
But
this
in-
time, lots of people.
But
not
past
care
time was
about
not
people.
available the pollution.
Past time not available.
Past time was past time people keep on cutting the trees for shaking hand. This is good.
So my dear friend, past time was very more trees, so that lots of people cut the trees.
But now time was not available. Now time is not available
No, my
the
dear
trees.
friend, now time was not available. The lots of trees now time was available only for little trees in all area.
Trees is tree, not a small tree, big tree.
Big tree is very useful. Small tree not useful, my dear friend.
स्टॉप। अरमान स्टार्ट।
I would like to immense about the point that the Ayan, you were saying that on the vintage time the vehicles were available. So do you know that on that time only the cars were available, and in this time the all type of the vehicles are present. So in this time we can do the work by the technology, and now time the technology make our work easy, and in the
So what
vintage
you want
time
to read in front of me after the saying this fact that time was available the vehicles and mobile phones like a technology. So as you know about the past time was available the lamp. So can you tell me how had made the lamp?
lamp was made by the glass and the plastic.
So from where they had the
No, it
they
is
had
the technology.
the
It is the technology. I know that the technology was the ancient thing, and
You
but
accept
the
it.
now time
You accept.
Yes, but
Yes.
the now time the technology is the greatest thing in the world, because the technology has increased in the world, and now time is the very best time for the people, because in this time the children have to go in a school and they can read easily.
So
in this time the
children have
government
to-
school are
just listen
available,
me.
and
children have to go in school.
Yes.
So these are education is not necessary for children.
it is necessary for the children.
So what do you want to reveal in front of me after the saying this fact that children have to go?
So can you
Children
tell me?
go.
Can you tell me in the vintage time that children had to go in a school?
No, my dear friend, they hadn't gone in school. They kept on going in Gurukul. There was a
Stop.
Gurukul.
Ayan, start.
First of all, I would like to initiation about past time. Past time was very good time because past time was available the all facilities like a hospital, schools, and education. In now time, all people keep on doing hoodlum activities and. Due to technology, all people keep on.
I know, and I accept your feeling, but that time hospital and school are also available, but that time were not available the good hospital and good education.
How can you say that?
Now
Have you seen?
very good education?
Have you seen?
Not, I have not seen, but I know that time education is not good.
No, my dear friend, past time was available the education was very good because past time all people were taking education. And in now time, some people are taking education.
That time girls cannot take the education. That time girls cannot go to the outside. So this
Stop.
is good.
स्टॉप कोड होता है अब्दुल्ला स्टार्ट
First of all, I would like to say about current time. Current time is very bad time, and current time technology is increasing day by day in our country. And current technology is very good. And past time did not technology, and some people did job. And new time, current time people do job, and this is very good. So my dear friend, past
My
time.
dear friend, please. What do you want to say?
My dear friend, current time people do the job, and past time people did the job. This is very good, my dear friend. Current time people are is increasing day by day in our country. Yes, India country is increasing day by day in our country.
So my dear friend, it is not.
Stop.
not new.
गुड जॉब